Hello everybody, I'm Professor Marty Romero. Welcome to Math 204, Mathematics for Elementary School Teachers. I want to share in this video some important information about the course as we get ready to start on Monday, August 26th. So the first thing you're going to do now that the course is available for you is to log in. This is our home page here. And then from here, I think the first thing that you should do is definitely go to the syllabus and download the syllabus and go through the syllabus. Additionally, in addition to the syllabus, which you see here, I've attached the calendar that goes with it also here. That links out to our calendar. It's also in the syllabus here. So I want to make sure you're aware of that. So looking at the calendar, you'll see the assignments and what we're going to cover in class are scheduled out and when things are due. So I want to make sure you're mindful of that content there. So the first thing I think is to know is what textbooks we're going to be using. There's two books. This is the cover of the Musser Mathematics for Elementary School Teachers, the 10th edition. This is the textbook we're going to use to do mathematics. You also have this book here, Joe Bowler, Mathematical Mindsets. This is a book we'll be reading, and our course project is related to this book here. Let's continue on. So in addition to that information, it's important to realize the different types of assignments that we have in this class here. Let's see if we could zoom in on this class here. Looking at our syllabus here, we have different types of assignments that you'll be involved in as you go through there. So I want to make sure I highlight them. So one, you're going to have textbook and written homework. That comes from the textbook. We have online homework. That's the Wiley Plus system that comes with the textbook that we buy. We'll talk more about the details of the syllabus. We have Canvas assignments, where you'll be doing and thinking about mathematics, discussing mathematics. We have online homework discussions where you're going to post some questions and have conversations about those problems that you having difficulty solving. There's some flipped assignments in this class, meaning that you're going to watch videos, take notes on the note sheets that we have that I've included into the course. We have learn checks. They're quizzes, but they're done at home. You have a 48-hour period to complete those, and these are the dates of the learn checks. And then there's book forum posts for the book we'll be reading. So there are a lot of different things you want to be aware of, the different types of assignments that we have in the class. So let's go ahead and make sure you do that, have that completed as soon as possible. The next thing that I want to make sure you're aware of is what's happening, what's due the first week, or what's going to be happening there during the first week. And what we're looking at, oops, sorry about that. What we're looking at is, if you look at the calendar, we'll come back to the home page, you will see some assignments that are due over here. The Get to Know You post is due Monday night. The Math Autobiography is due the next day. You're going to bring a copy to class. How Children Solve Problems. There's also a survey link that I included in the announcement that came along with this video. So be mindful of that. But again, this should be pretty accurate. And of course, if anything seems unusual, you can let me know. But these are the upcoming assignments that you'll find there. You will also find them here in the modules. So once you go to the modules, you'll take a look at what we have here in addition to the course information that we're talking about. In addition to that, you have lectures and notes. So I've posted note sheets and then PowerPoint lectures. I also included the note sheets all as one full document. But this is what you're going to be using when you have those flipped homework assignments. You also have the discussion boards. Here are the flipped homework assignments for the first 4 chapters. You have those, and then the written homework, online homework will be posted here. And then in Module 0 is where you're beginning. There's your survey that will be due the first day, Get to Know You post by the end of the first day, and then your Math Autobiography that you have. And then you continue on with Chapter 1. and every chapter has the same format. You have your lecture notes and videos, which are the same ones from up here. They're just within the chapter. You have the videos that go along the lecture videos, so you'll see the playlists, my playlist there from YouTube, and then you have the assignments that go along with this. Here's your flipped assignment. Here's your so that again is where you log in, take a look at some videos, answer some questions along with your note sheets. Those should log in pretty soon. There's some videos again for the assignments that you need to do those at home, and then answer some questions about that. So I want to make sure you're aware of that. That becomes an important process in the class is when you have those flipped homework assignments, that those get completed. What that does is give us a lot more time in class to do mathematics. So just be mindful of that. And there's links to the textbook also where you can read the textbook and so forth. So that's our short introduction. I'll be sending more information out via email, announcements, maybe even videos. So I'll see you guys soon.